Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY reflector that's perfect for improving your lighting setup, whether you're filming cooking, drawing, or unboxing videos. I've drawn a quick diagram to explain how to position your lights for the best effect. On the right we have a softbox, and on the left our DIY reflector. This setup helps you achieve even lighting across your subject, which is key for professional looking content. Now let's talk about the issue with softboxes. While they provide soft, even light, they can create a gradient, leaving one side darker. Instead of buying a second softbox, which can be expensive and tricky, you can make a simple and effective reflector using a white pizza box. Here's how. After enjoying your pizza, take the box, cut along the folds, and tape it into a standing shape. Now, let's make the reflector. First, I determine the initial fold position by marking a crease where the reflector will bend. Then I cut small triangular sections from the edges to help with the folding. Next, I find the second crease point, a few centimeters away from the first, to create a stand that doesn't protrude too much. I fold along this second crease and cut out more triangles to help the structure hold. With two creases made, I fold the edge, creating a sturdy stand that holds the reflective surface at a right angle. Even the area that was originally the bottom of the box is utilized, making this design efficient. Now I start taping it together. First, I secure the triangular sections with tape to make sure they're well fixed. Then I add vertical strips of tape on the left and right, ensuring the angle between the base and the reflector is exactly 90 degrees. This way, the reflector stands perpendicular to the table, giving you optimal light reflection. This reflector will bounce light back onto your subject, reducing shadows and evening out the light. Let's test it out. Here are some markers without the reflector. Notice the shadows. Now, with the reflector in place, the lighting is much more even. The difference is clear. I also tried it out while drawing a fashion portrait. The reflector made the colors pop and ensured that every detail was clearly visible. And that's it. A simple, budget-friendly DIY reflector that can greatly improve your lighting setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.